Ever wondered if superhumans truly exist among us? Or are they just a figment of our imaginations, brought to life by comic books and movies? The idea of superhumans, individuals with abilities beyond the average human, has been a recurring theme in folklore and mythology worldwide. From the demigods of ancient Greece to the legendary heroes of Norse sagas, these stories have continued to fascinate us for centuries. But what if these tales aren't just works of fiction? What if they're based on real people who walked among us, possessing extraordinary abilities? Could there be a shred of truth hidden in these myths and stories? Could superhumans actually exist in our world today? These are big questions, questions that have sparked curiosity and debate across the globe. And today, we're going to dig deeper into this fascinating subject matter. So, hold on tight as we delve into the world of the extraordinary, exploring evidence from around the globe. From the snowy peaks of Nepal to the bustling streets of New York City, stories of people with unusual abilities are far from scarce. Let's embark on a global expedition, a journey to uncover the extraordinary. Our first stop is the frosty Himalayas, where the Sherpas, native to this region, exhibit an uncanny resilience to extreme cold and high altitude. Their bodies have adapted to thrive in conditions that would leave most of us gasping for breath. Scientists attribute this to a unique genetic trait that enhances their oxygen utilization, a testament to the marvels of human evolution. Now let's shift gears and head to the vibrant heart of India. Here we meet a man who claims to have not eaten or drunk anything for over 7 decades. Known as Prahlad Jani, this individual has baffled scientists with his ability to survive without sustenance, challenging what we know about human biology. Next, we jet off to the bustling streets of New York City, where a man named Daniel Kish navigates the urban jungle using echolocation, much like a bat. Despite being blind since infancy, Kish uses a series of clicks to see his environment in a way that's almost superhuman. This remarkable skill has even caught the attention of neuroscientists. Our journey takes us next to the sunny beaches of Australia, where we encounter a man with an extraordinary ability to withstand deadly venom. Tim Fried has voluntarily subjected himself to bites from some of the world's most venomous snakes, building an immunity that baffles medical science. Finally, we travel to the tranquil landscapes of Norway, where Wim Hof, known as the Iceman, can withstand freezing temperatures in just shorts and a pair of boots. His ability to control his body temperature has fascinated scientists and made him a living example of the untapped potential within us all. As we can see, these extraordinary individuals are not confined to any one region or culture, making the existence of superhumans a truly global phenomenon. But what does science have to say about these seemingly superhuman abilities? Can they be explained, or do they truly defy the limits of human biology? Well, the answer is fascinating. Science suggests that certain genetic mutations or environmental adaptations may contribute to these extraordinary abilities. For instance, those with extraordinary strength might have a mutation in the myostatin gene, which regulates muscle growth. In some cases, people can adapt to extreme environments like the Sherpas in the Himalayas, whose bodies have evolved to function optimally in high altitudes. Moreover, the field of epigenetics is exploring how our behaviors and environment can change the way our genes work, potentially unlocking hidden abilities. Additionally, advancements in technology and medicine are paving the way for artificial enhancements, blurring the lines between human and superhuman. Yet, despite these scientific explanations, many questions remain unanswered. The ongoing research in this field continues to uncover more about our untapped potential. While science may offer some explanations, there still remains an element of mystery and wonder surrounding these superhumans. So do superhumans truly walk among us, or is it all just smoke and mirrors? Well, we've traversed the globe and delved into the science, and the answer isn't as clear-cut as we might like. We've seen astonishing feats from every corner of the world, and there's no denying that there are those who push the boundaries of what we consider human. But does this make them superhuman? Well, that's a matter of perspective. Is it their extraordinary abilities that make them super? Or is it their sheer determination to surpass their limits, The evidence is there for you to interpret. We've also looked into the science, touching on genetic mutations and neurological differences, which might explain some of these phenomena. However, the scientific community remains divided. While the existence of superhumans may not be universally accepted, there is no denying that there are individuals out there who continue to push the boundaries of what it means to be human.